Okay, so today we are going to apply some cushion grip to my dentures. So first off, I'm going to soak the cushion grip in hot but not boiling water for 5 minutes. And I'm also going to put my dentures into the container and get the old cushion grip off for 5 minutes. So as you can see, I have it in the warm water for 5 minutes, and I will be removing that application off of them dentures in just a second. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, so now we're going to get the dentures out of the water and we're going to remove the old cushion grip so we can apply a new application. And it comes off pretty easy. I've had this one on there about 7 days now, so maybe 8 days. Today makes 8 days actually. So just going to pull it off. Okay, now you got to make sure your denture is completely dry before applying cushion grip. Like, and sometimes I will leave, the cushion grip in here a little bit longer. It ain't gonna hurt nothing in this hot water. Just makes it easier to come out. Alright, so now we're going to roll it out into like a gummy worm. That's what I do. Okay, just roll. And then I just put it in here and just start mashing it. And I, usually know where I need it more at. And as you can see, like, I didn't use a lot, and it's covering almost my whole top plate, So then you will stick it in your mouth for 2 hours and let it mold. And then I pull it out after 2 hours and cut the excess off and then leave it in for another 6. Look there. They are so snug. This is the best stuff in the world, man. I was so miserable with my dentures. So miserable. Cushion grip is my go-to. If you've not tried it, you really need to. It's very easy steps. It's very, very affordable. Please try it if you hadn't.